Hi, welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I recreate and share authentic Chinese recipes every week. In this episode, I will share an easy rice cake stir-fry recipe. There are a rather wide variety of rice cakes in different cultures. The rice cakes we are using today is made of glutinous rice and are prevalent in Asia. In Chinese, it is called Nian Gao, a food traditionally consumed during the Lunar New Year ceremonies. This delicious dish presents a healthy combination of rice cake, veggies, pork belly, and mushrooms, and it only takes about 10 minutes to make. Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Main ingredients: rice cake, I got it from the Korean store. I use about 1/3 of the bag, which is about 2/3 pounds. 2-ounce pork belly, shiitake mushroom, 4 or 5, fresh Cubanelle peppers for its sweet and crispy taste, and 1 carrot. Soak the rice cake in cold water to separate the pieces. Put the rice cakes in boiling water, bring to a boil, and simmer for 1.5 minutes. Add a few drops of cooking oil to keep the slices from sticking together. Drain it and set aside for use later. Slice the shiitake mushroom. To rehydrate the dried shiitake mushrooms, you can soak them in cold water for 4 hours. Next, cut the pork belly into 2 mm thin, 1 cm wide slices. Then seed the Cubanelle pepper and cut into 1 inch long and 1 cm wide slices. Slice the carrot into similar size. Shred the ginger root. And mince the garlic. Now, let's prepare for the sauce. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of hot pepper paste, which I also got from the Korean store. Add about 1/3 cup of water. Mix well. In a heated pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Stir fry the ginger root, garlic, carrot, mushroom, and pork belly first. 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, stir fry, and add half a cup of water. Cover the lid, keep it on high heat for about 5 minutes. Add the rice cakes. Keep stirring. Add the sauce we prepared early on. Stir fry for about 1 more minute. Add the Cubanelle pepper. Mix for 5 to 6 more times. Add some salt as needed. One teaspoon of dried chili powder. Mix a few more times. Turn off the heat. Add oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon. Drizzling some sesame oil. Mix well. We are done. The rice cake is soft, chewy, spicy and flavorful. Mushroom is juicy and delicious. The pepper is sweet, savory, and crispy. A combination made in heaven. With a glass of red wine, dinner is all set. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time.